Need to fix not authorized to join this experience due to privacy settings? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can fix this issue. Start by heading over to your application Roblox. Enter your login credentials and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, now what you want to do is head over to More at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and then move into Settings. Inside Settings, head over to Parental Controls. Well, if the parental control is turned on, then you will land on different interface. You will see the option where it says Allowed Experience. If the settings is set to +9 years, then you have to set it to +13 years, suitable for 13 and above. Once you have changed the experience settings, you will be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.